like you could catch cooties from these bugs, but in reality, it's much worse than that. Also, cooties is made up. This is a kissing bug, and it has something much deadlier than its blood-sucking bite. Why are they called kissing bugs? Why are their bites not the deadliest thing about them? And how can they cause life-threatening conditions? Kissing bugs are found all over Latin America and in 28 U.S. states. But if you think you found a kissing bug, make sure you have the right culprit before whacking it with the bottom of your shoe. Kissing bugs look very similar to stink bugs, but they're bigger, have a more teardrop-shaped body, and distinct stripes running along their bodies. Like many creepy bugs, kissing bugs suck your blood, but they get their names from where they tend to bite. Any guesses? That's right, they bite near your mouth and, even grosser, next to your eyes. They're attracted to the carbon dioxide we breathe out and the increased blood flow in our faces while we sleep. And you won't feel a thing while they suck your blood. So don't worry about that. That's because kissing bugs inject saliva into your skin while biting you. It contains proteins that numb the area. But the saliva has caused some people to go into anaphylactic shock or have an allergic reaction. A kissing bug takes the opportunity to feed for up to 30 minutes, expanding its body and carrying up to 12 times its weight in blood. This is known as plasticization because the kissing bug's exoskeleton is flexible enough to cope with the extra size and weight. But interestingly enough, consuming blood as their main food source poses a problem for kissing bugs. The fresh blood from a victim is actually too hot for kissing bugs to stomach. If they ingest blood at human body temperatures, it stunts the bug's growth. So, they have developed a way to cool our blood. Kissing bugs have cold blood, or hemolymph, that absorbs the heat and vents it through their long heads. Once the blood is cool enough, the bugs can store it in their abdomens. Unfortunately, that's where the biological marvels of the kissing bug end. While they feed on hosts, the bugs urinate or defecate on them. This can expose the victim to Chagas disease. It's caused by a parasite that kissing bugs pick up from infected people or wild animals. If the parasite gets into a victim's wound or eyes, it's bad news for them. About 1/3 of people with the parasite in their bodies develop some form of heart disease. It's estimated that 50% of kissing bugs carry the Chagas parasite. Chagas disease isn't as common in the U.S., but in Latin America, millions of people are infected and suffer its horrible effects. The world is wonderful and diverse with life, but at times, nature can be a very unwelcoming and scary thing to live with, like the kissing bug. But we may have something else that rates highly on the horrifying meter. How about ticks? Or even worse, a tick infestation. Ugh. They suck your blood and spread a horrifying disease. That's what kissing bugs do, and that's what makes them crazy creatures.